Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. Today I'll show you a quick and easy way to create these stunning 3D logo designs with any material imaginable. We will be using ChatGPT and some other tools, no experience or skill required to follow along. The first thing we need is a basic black and white version of our logo or icon. If you already have a design, great. If not, just create a simple vector shape in ideogram, which is currently the industry standard AI logo maker. Back to our logo. This serves as the foundation before we start applying textures. Next, we need a cool material texture to overlay on our logo. For this, just do a quick search for Cinema 4D or Blender materials. I used BlenderKit, go to their websites and find the materials. Once you find a material you like, right-click and download image. This will allow us to easily apply it to our design. Here's the fun part. We'll use AI to blend the material with our logo. Open ChatGPT 4.0 and use a simple prompt like this. Let ChatGPT do its magic, and within minutes, you'll have a beautifully textured version of your logo. Subscribe and see you in the next video.